Are your Qt framework application failing because of the qt5sql.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. Before we walk through the qt5sql troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This is the qt5sql, the qt5sql module. It provides unmanaged routines for database interaction across multiple SQL providers, facilitating the data link for portable software database manifests. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. This error usually indicates that the Qt framework directory is damaged or incompletely installed. I recommend you download and reinstall the official version of Qt framework to replace specific required files, such as qt5sql.dll. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including qt5sql. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. A quick safety warning: never download files like qt5sql.dll from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. If background issues persist, the recommended software below outlines maintenance concepts related to qt5sql. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for qt5sql or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.